So here's how you can make text bigger on the iPad. Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, make sure you stay tuned by subscribing and you're not going to miss anything important. Okay, so first of all, inside of the settings app of your iPad, you can find the display and brightness section, and we have the bold text toggle, which can make the text in font thicker, but also we have the text size, which can bump up the size of the text across your entire iPad, right? So all of the apps are gonna have larger and bigger text. So that's like one thing or one way of changing that across the entire operating system. But then we have the creative or sort of like these apps like text editors or Photoshop, Apple Pages, or whatever. And those apps usually also have the ability to edit text, like select it and then bump up the text size, right? So you can choose a specific size like that, and you can change it within those apps specifically as well, right? So my point is that if you're using like the Google Docs or Slides or I don't know, the Apple Keynote and all of those apps, you also have the ability to make the text bigger, right? But only for the projects or the text that you are working with. So let me know in the comments if you managed to actually make it work on your device. In case of any questions, leave them there as well. But I'm going to wrap up the video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later in those upcoming tutorials as well.